All right, folks, welcome back. Okay, today we are going to be making up some chicken legs, and we're going to be using that Roto-360. And we're going to be using the box here, or this little basket here, and we're going to be cooking the chicken legs in that. So let's get started here. All right, first thing we want to do is get a little bit of oil. Just massage that oil all the way through all the chicken legs. We want to keep one hand clean so you can use the shaker. All right, and today we're going to be using that Cosmos honey chipotle barbecue rub. It's called Killer Bees. I'll tell you, this stuff goes great on chicken legs, wings, breast, I don't care, whole chicken, whole turkey, steak. This stuff is delicious. All right, go ahead and we're going to give this a liberal coat. Mix it around a little bit. Give it another good coating. Today I'm going to be using my smoker. I already have it preheating. I got it set for 275. All right. We're going to cook these until we reach an internal temperature between 165 and 175. Now what I'll do is about halfway through the cook, I am going to turn the temperature up a little bit so I can get a nice little crispiness on the skin. But for right now, what we're going to go ahead and do is get the basket here. Now the basket, I already measured it out, and it will hold 6 legs. Like that. What you do is, there's a little hook right here, and there's a flat piece here. This little knob goes on here, just like such, and that goes in there, just like that. All right, we'll take you over to the smoker, and we'll start it up. Pull out that little tab, and voila, it starts going. It's a pasta salad that will blow your mind. All right, so I gave these a quick temperature check, and we're almost up to where we want to be. We're right around 165, 170. I went ahead and turned my smoker up to 325 degrees. I want to get a little bit of crunch on these, on the skin, and then we'll pull them off, and we'll have a taste test. Alrighty, well guys, here's what it looks like. Just to recap, went ahead and put this on the Roto-Q 360. Rotisserie chicken, seasoned with that honey chipotle, and we ran it at 275. I finished it off at 325 to get a little bit of crispiness on the skin. I got some extras here. As you can see, it got nice and crispy. That's the kind of crispy burnt that I like on there. Some people don't like it that much. And of course we had that beautiful, delicious pasta salad that we made with cilantro, parsley, and a little bit of mint and green onion, mustard, boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and a little bit of mayonnaise, and just the right amount of that pickle juice to set everything off. But that mustard, I'll tell you what, that mustard is the best. Guys, do me a favor, check this out. Check out the Roto-Q 360. It's a nice little machine. It's got its little quirks to it. I mean, this thing, again, they say it lasts an hour. I gotta tell you, it runs about 40 minutes before you gotta re-crank it again. But that's okay. We can come out here and check it and do it again. I cranked it up a second time, ran it for the rest of the time, finished cooking it off. Came out fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.